If you have been wondering what type of drive, what kind of hard disk or SSD types you are using, in today's video I will show you how to check and know what kind of drive or what type of drive you are using, and even more to the point, the size and the performance of it. So without further delay, let's get started. Now first, just click on your start and click on Task Manager. Once you click on Task Manager, this Task Manager pops up. And if it is displayed this way, just click on more details. Once you click on more details, now go to performance. Under the performance, you have all devices which are attached to your PC. Now here we have our CPU, memory, disk, Ethernet and GPU, but in our case we just need to know what kind of drive we are using currently. So here we have this here, these are our disks. So with these disks, you can see that the number of storage devices you are using on the PC, they will all be displayed here. So here we have two devices with two storage devices which are attached to the PC here. So if you click on this is my disk which is I'm using currently on the PC, and this is another drive. This is an external drive which is plugged to the PC. Now if you want to check the type it is using, you can see here we have disk 0. It is saying that SSD, as you can see here. This is just so this is a solid state drive, and here this one is just a removable drive. It's a pen drive, as you can see. So let's concentrate on the kind of drive we are using. So click on the disk 0, and then we have, this is the name here, we have Samsung SSD, and then it's an Evo, and this is the size 1 terabyte. That is just how it is to check the type of drive or the kind of storage devices you are using. So if this was an HDD, you see the name also attached to this, but in the end you see HDD. But here in our case we have SSD. If you come down here, you can see this is the capacity 930, and it has been formatted, yes, and then it's a system disk, yes, right, and this is just the type here. If this here is not okay with you, you can see here we have type here, and this is an SSD type. That is just how easy and simple it is to check the kind of hard disk or SSD type that you are using. Guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video. Peace out.